Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Today I'm going to show you a couple features in the tool related to creating incipits, which are sort of a cheat sheet that generally will give you the first line of a tune. And you can optionally now create a single line that has snippets of the first, second, and let's say third part of a tune. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the local occultist collection. It's about 117 tunes here. And the easiest way to get a set of incipits for a tune book is to just use the Export PDF dialog and then select Notes Incipits. And I'm going to leave this at one column and just say Export. And what it's going to do here is generate a PDF that gives you the top line of each tune, and that's about it. So if that's all you want, you just want a PDF file that has just the top line of each tune. That's the easiest way to do it. But if you want more control over the appearance of these, or if you want to be able to have, let's say, the A part, the B part, the C part, whatever of the tunes in these incipits, there's a way to do it now. So under the More Tools dialog, there's an item called Notes Incipit Builder. And you have multiple options on this page, and the default looks something like this, where it will actually create what are called multi-part incipits, where it locates the A and B and C parts of the tunes and will then pull out, let's say, the first three measures of each of those parts and put them on a line. And I'll just show you. So I'll click Build. And you can now see we have these incipits here that have the A part and the B part, or in a three-part tune, A, B, and C part. So that's a way of creating a very quick cheat sheet that then you can do Export PDF, just do Note Incipits again, and what you'll see now is we get a PDF with the incipits. Just take a minute to complete here. And again, you can see now we have the multi-part incipits in the PDF. If you want a more condensed version of that, when you do the Export PDF and you choose Note Incipits, you just say 2 columns. And this will now format things much more compactly, put a lot more tunes on each page. And you can see now we have many tunes in each page. You can kind of zoom into that, and this is a nice way to create a cheat sheet. I'm going to go ahead and reopen that tune book again and show you another option on the Note Incipits generator here. And if you uncheck this Create Multi-Part Incipits, then you have control over way of creating sort of more compact incipits. This is the sort of legacy version of this that's been in here for a while. I'll just go ahead and show you what it'll create using the defaults. With that unchecked, it's a little different. We'll also check this Add Numbers Before the Titles and click Build. And you see now you get something that's a little bit bigger. The scale of the notation is made a little bit larger, but this particular feature is limited to the case where you're only doing the first few measures of the A part and isn't really supported for the multi-part incipits. But I just wanted to show you that as an option. And now if you export that as Note Incipits 2 columns, because we don't have to have the multiple parts for each of the tunes, you can create something that's probably a little bit easier on the eyes, but doesn't convey as much information. And so this would be an example of the sort of 2-column PDF you can create using that option. So anyway, multiple options in the tool for creating Notes Incipits. If you have any questions, you can just click on the question mark in the corner, and that will take you to the section of the user guide that details each of the features of the Notes Incipits builder.